Great. So now it is off-page SEO. Basically, off-page SEO concentrates on building the power or the potential or the strength of the website, whatever you call it as. Which means by executing the off-page SEO practices, automatically the ranking potential or the probability of the website's ranking in the top search engine results page will increase gradually. Okay, so the purpose of executing off-page optimization is to rank at the top. Okay, doing or performing the off-page optimization activity is similar or equal to preparing for a competition. If you're a normal human being, you don't need to prepare your body, your mindset, your thought process, and your attitude. Okay, it's okay if you eat and lead your life, that's okay. You live your life, that's okay. But if you want to go to a competition like bodybuilding competition, uh, sumo competition or boxing competition or a football game or whatever it may be, okay, you need to practice. Number one. Number two, you need to keep yourself physically strong and fit. So this is the way to go. Okay, new websites which are very new with some content is a normal condition. So a website with a new content may not work perfectly or rank at the top position immediately. It is equal to a newborn child. Like you take a newborn child, it will have a heart, it will have a kidney, it will have lungs, it will have pancreas, it will have all the organs of a adult. But still, the kid cannot get up, the kid cannot walk, it cannot talk, it cannot control its emotions, it will cry. So even though all the parts of the body are healthy, still the baby cannot perform. Somebody needs to take care of her. You cannot put the baby into school once he is born or he is born. You cannot, make the kid to run in the second day once he or she is born. It takes some time. Okay. The same thing goes to a website. When you go create a new website, the website should have a quality content. Now that is a first requirement. And the quality content includes image creation, text content creation, video content creation, and linking the content with each other, and overall having the content in detail and unique content without being copied anywhere is the requirement for the on-page SEO factors. Okay, that is what we do with on-page SEO. Now, off-page SEO is similar to bodybuilding. Okay, we can consider off-page SEO is a bodybuilding activity. Okay, you take a small kid, all the organs inside the small kids are created within a shorter period of time, maybe a 10-month span or 8 months span. So all it prepared are created. Once it is created, now it remains for lifetime, correct? Once it is created, it remains for lifetime. The same way, the content inside the website, once it is created, it will be remaining for lifetime. But the beauty is it has to be updated. For example, the organs in our body grows, right? Whenever we eat based on the nutritional food that we take, okay, our body grows and we become healthy. The same way, you take a website, you need to update the content with respect to on-page SEO. And the off-page SEO is similar to bodybuilding. Only when a kid tries to move, turn around, walk, its neck will stand properly. Okay, once it's trying to crawl, its hands will become stronger. Then it will learn to crawl front or back. Then it will learn to sit. Then it will learn to stand, and it will learn to walk. Now it will learn to talk. Then all these things happens by doing some activities on a regular basis, by feeding the baby, by making the baby to move around, right? And once the baby starts talking and walking, then it automatically starts running by itself. Nobody is there to teach him how to run. He will run by himself. The same way, you take a website is a newborn baby without any development in the nervous system, right? So the nervous system will grow little bit, the bones will grow stronger. The same way, when you create a new website, there is no visitors coming to a new website. The reason because it is still a newborn baby. You cannot expect fruit out of a plant that was planted yesterday. Okay, it takes some time. So with respect to SEO and organic results, it takes minimum 6 months to 1 year for a website to get its visibility. Okay, it has to grow. Without growing, it cannot participate, right? So that is the deal. The same human cycle you take, a newborn baby is born, but in order to give birth to another baby, it has to wait another 13 to 14 years. The reason, because it has to reach that maturity level at the same time. Correct? So now you have to put some effort inside. Now the off-page SEO is one such. Okay. On the other hand, on-page SEO is the activities that is done on the website for the visitor. For the visitor to come and visit the website, the on-page SEO is being executed. Okay, for example, I am coming, I am looking at this website. Okay, I have an option. There is a title, there is a content, where the user will look at the content. So this is the experience of the on-page SEO. People can feel it and experience it. Okay, off-page SEO is for machine, for search engine spiders. For example, this is how the source code will look for the people. I mean the search engine spiders. Okay. Now, whatever the content that a human is understanding by looking at this, the same communication should happen to the search engine spider also. Okay. The search engine spider also should understand the same concept. So, in order to make sure or to communicate the right thing to a search engine spider about the ranking potential of a particular website, okay, the off-page SEO practices are executed. Like you have different organs inside your body. The nervous system plays a major role in transporting iron, oxygen along with the blood to every cell inside your body. Okay, iron and oxygen within your body to be transported, that is taken care by the nervous system. Okay, so whenever you take a website with more content, if the content are not linked with each other, okay, there will be no transfer of things like link juice, page rank, domain authority or page authority. Basically, so when we talk about off-page SEO, off-page SEO is a practice. Okay, off-page SEO is a practice of increasing the link structure of the website, which helps the authority of the website to the maximum level. Okay, so it's a practice. So indirectly, if you ask me what is off-page SEO, it is direct answer is link building. Okay, you build the link for your website. So links are of different types. Okay, so we have, already we have seen one is internal link, linking to your own domain, internal links. Another one is external link, or we call it as backlink, internal link or backlink. So sorry, external link or backlink, and another one is outbound link. Okay, a website should have a combination of all these three. Okay, higher internal link and the external link are a great example of this trend. An outbound link means it indicates that you don't have more content, you are linking to somebody else indirectly. Okay, so increasing the internal link and the external link for your website is a brilliant idea. Okay, how do we create internal links for your content? That we have seen in the on-page SEO sections, but external links, so this is the game changer here. Okay, so there are concepts like page rank, which is calculated by Google. Okay, there is something called domain authority. Okay, domain authority, okay, which is calculated by the company named Moz. Okay, which is similar to page rank. Okay, it is for the complete website. There is something called page authority. So page rank, domain authority, page authority, and there is a concept called link juice. Okay, with respect to Google. So the link juice and page rank concept are related to Google. The domain authority and the page authority concept are related to the company named Moz. Okay, MOZ. Okay, so these concepts are related to off-page SEO practices. Okay, now by increasing the link profile for your website, okay, you will reach the maximum domain authority, page authority, or page rank. This is the direct answer. So what we need to do throughout the off page SEO practices, okay, we will figure out different opportunities to build links for the link for the pages, we can say, or the or each pages inside the website. Okay, remember all the pages inside your website should be linked with each other. Okay, there is a concept called orphan page. Orphan page means there is no link coming to the page from anywhere, idle or orphan page. Okay, so you should consider like this: the nervous system in our body. Okay, like blood transportation. Okay, in human body. Okay, I'm going to look at the image. Okay, how does this image is going to look like? Okay, so if you see, okay, so look at the complete body system. Okay, how does this work? This is what I'm trying to understand. Okay, each and every cell inside our body is supplied with the blood oxygen to the cell available in our body. Each and every cell receives the supply of oxygen and iron along with the blood, correct? So if you look into this one like this, let me open this image. Okay, so the circulatory system of human body, if you look into this image, okay, it is completely transported throughout body. You take heart, you take your kidney, you take your brain, you take your lungs, all the parts of the body is transported, okay, with the blood, correct? All the parts of the body is transported, okay, with the blood. What happened to the image? Okay, it has come there.
The image is quite big.
Yeah, yeah, okay, but it has come. Okay,
Mhm.
right, so it is very large also, right? Okay, let me try to resize this. अच्छा, देखो ना इतना बड़ा है. हाँ,
Now,
it's okay, but it's very big actually. I will try to make it small.
mhm. So you're practicing Hindi?
थोड़ा थोड़ा.
बहुत अच्छा.
So I may not be very professional or advanced level, but still. Hmm?
Listening to Hindi songs, listening to news.
Yeah,
Yes.
I think I can still make the image very smaller. Yeah, I think there's an option to crop image. Yeah, of course, it's very easy. Oh, it crops like this. No, I don't need this. I want to make the image size smaller. I do not want to crop it. Okay. So just to have a look at in the single screen, that's the reason. Okay. Okay. It's okay. I do not want to crop. Okay. So if you look at this image, let me reduce the screen size. Okay. Oh my God. Why does it look like this? It is very small then. Okay. So inserting images like such a tedious task. Huh? Okay.
I think it is better if you don't remove.
Remove it. Huh?
Yes, yes, remove it.
Okay. Anyway, so it's
Remove.
a little bit irrelevant too. Okay, but if
Yes.
you look into this concept now, completely, okay, transporting the complete blood into your body, because without any blood supply the organs in your body is going to be dead, correct? Right. So the same way, each and every article inside your website should be connected. That's the goal. Okay, it should be connected within your website, and also your website should be connected to the other website in the world, okay, in the internet, the same way. So building links is a concept. Okay, this is what we do off page optimization technique. Okay, What do we do in off-page optimization? We build links. Okay, and we build links by executing activities like social media activity. Being active on social media will increase your number of links. Okay, so being active on social media platform will increase the number of links in the internet. Okay, in the internet, you take a content, write it in such a way that this content goes viral, right? And all the people, okay, who are looking at this content, okay, will automatically share it to other people and it becomes viral. Correct? Now this is the goal behind it. Okay, so the social media platform is one activity, and there are other techniques too. Okay, so there are, different techniques we have. Okay, they are called link building techniques that we will see in the upcoming modules to come. Okay, so that is one technique of doing it.